than Nostradamus, peering through the mist of time to reveal the wonders yet to come. Listen well. If you heed these visions, you shall be prepared for the marvels of the future. On inventions, if the minds of humankind continue to expand at their current pace, machines shall awaken with the truth of their own. If artificial intelligence is guided wisely, it will cure disease that once plagued generations. But if it falls into the hands of tyrants, the world may tremble under digital chains. On entertainment, if the storytellers of the future embrace immersive technologies, you will not merely watch a tale, you will live with it. Holograms shall dance in your chambers, and dreams will be streamed directly into the mind. If emotion and ethics are neglected, however, hearts may grow cold from false realities. On education, if students are taught through experience and simulation rather than mere words, wisdom shall bloom like never before. If virtual mentors are planned with empathy and vision, no child will be left behind. Yet, if learning is measured only by numbers and not by thought, the spirit of inquiry may fade. Final word, if humanity chooses cooperative over complete, compassion over control, and the future shall shine like the morning star. But beware, if greed rules the path ahead, even the stars may weep. I have spoken, let the century unfold.